Okay, so for our lab video, we're starting with the shark, and we'll start with the gallbladder. The gallbladder is kind of this translucent part along here of the medium lobe of the liver. It's collapsed, is what Dr. Place told us. Then we're going to the dorsal lobe of the pancreas, and it's this guy that runs here, low dorsal lobe. Next, we're doing the ventricle of the heart, and here's our ventricle here with our coronary arteries on it, I think. I haven't got those down yet. Then we're doing our subclavian artery. Our subclavian is this guy right here. He's barely visible, that guy right there. And then our last one is our anterior intestinal vein, and it's going to be this guy, yellow guy, that runs here. That's all for the shark. Alright, we're starting with our frog. He has a huge stomach, which is this dude here. Then we're going to the left lung, which the left lung is right in, let's see if I can expose him real quick. This dude right here, the black thing, right there. Then our coneus arteriosus is gonna be this dude here. Our ventricle is this nice guy here, and then our right, you say that word.
Right pulmocutaneous arch
is this guy right here. Where's this guy?
Focus it. Right there.
That guy. That's what I thought.
Okay.
Alright, good. Done. Okay, for our cat, we're going to start with our oropharynx. And it's going to be this little cavity right there where that black dot's at. Oropharynx right in here. Next off, we have the right anterior lobe of the lung. It's going to be this guy with the green pin in it. Right anterior lobe of the lung. Next, we have the transverse colon. And it's this part of the colon. It goes crossways. So this guy, and then goes descending colon. All that good stuff. Then we have the pyloric region of the stomach. And that's this region right here. Our stomach's pretty, not pretty at all. But it's this region of the stomach before it goes in the duodenum and the pyloric sphincter. Next off is the esophagus. And our esophagus is this guy that sits behind the trachea where this black pin's at. That's where all the food goes down before it gets to the tummy. Next we have the innominate artery. And the innominate artery is this right here. It's also known as the brachiocephalic artery. Comes up here and it branches off. Next, we have the right common carotid artery. And is that this guy, right common carotid arteries right here. Following that, we have the celiac artery. And the celiac artery is this guy. Oh, his pin just fell off. But it's this guy coming off of the dorsal aorta. And it goes onto these big loops, and it has a few branches. One goes there, another one goes here, and one's there. But celiac artery starts here. Next we have subclavian vein. And our subclavian vein. And that's this guy here. That's also this region here. So right pin and then this here. We're moving. And then lastly, we have the common iliac vein, which are these ones that branch into the legs.
There it is, the blue.
The blue one. It's also this guy that's out here. And that's it.